Hello again, my lovely English learners. I'm so happy to see you here today. Welcome to day 3 of your English shadowing challenge. Every time you show up, you are saying something powerful to yourself. I am learning. I am growing. I believe in myself. And guess what? I believe in you too. You're not just studying English, you're building your future voice, sentence by sentence. Let's take a moment to remember what we're doing here. This is shadowing, a beautiful way to learn English by listening and repeating. You hear me speak. Then you repeat after me, copying the rhythm, the music, the pronunciation. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to show up and speak. Even if it's slow. Even if you make mistakes. Because practice is how we learn. Practice is how we grow. And practice is how we become confident speakers. Now, today we'll talk about something that is very close to our hearts, our family. You'll repeat after me. Say every sentence out loud. Speak slowly, clearly, and with love. Let's begin your practice now. Ready? I have a happy family. I have a happy family. I have a happy family. My family is everything to me. My family is everything to me. My family is everything to me. I live with my parents and my brother. I live with my parents and my brother. I live with my parents and my brother. My mother is very kind. My mother is very kind. My mother is very kind. My father is strong and wise. My father is strong and wise. My father is strong and wise. My brother is fun to be with. My brother is fun to be with. My brother is fun to be with. We eat dinner together every night. We eat dinner together every night. We eat dinner together every night. We like to watch movies on weekends. We like to watch movies on weekends. We like to watch movies on weekends. We help each other at home. We help each other at home. We help each other at home. We love each other very much. We love each other very much. We love each other very much. Take a deep breath now. You are doing so well. Learning to talk about the people you love in English is a big step. And you're doing it beautifully. Keep speaking. Keep smiling. Keep going. You are already more confident than you were yesterday. Let's continue. My grandmother is sweet and gentle. My grandmother is sweet and gentle. My grandmother is sweet and gentle. I like to visit my grandfather. I like to visit my grandfather. I like to visit my grandfather. I play with my cousins at family parties. I play with my cousins at family parties. I play with my cousins at family parties. My uncle tells funny jokes. My uncle tells funny jokes. My uncle tells funny jokes. My aunt makes tasty cakes. My aunt makes tasty cakes. My aunt makes tasty cakes. We have big meals during holidays. We have big meals during holidays. We have big meals during holidays. Family time is the best time. Family time is the best time. Family time is the best time. I feel safe when I'm with my family. I feel safe when I'm with my family. I feel safe when I'm with my family. My family supports me every day. My family supports me every day. My family supports me every day. I am grateful for my family. I am grateful for my family. I am grateful for my family. That was wonderful. You've now spoken 20 beautiful sentences about your family. Aren't you proud? You should be. Learning to speak English takes time and heart, and you have both. Let's finish strong with 10 more. You've got this. Let's do it together. My family gives me love and strength. My family gives me love and strength. My family gives me love and strength. I enjoy talking to my parents. I enjoy talking to my parents. I enjoy talking to my parents. My sister and I share everything. My sister and I share everything. My sister and I share everything. We go on family trips in the summer. We go on family trips in the summer. We go on family trips in the summer. My family teaches me good values. My family teaches me good values. My family teaches me good values. I help clean the house with my family. I help clean the house with my family. I help clean the house with my family. We play games together at night. We play games together at night. We play games together at night. We take care of each other. We take care of each other. We take care of each other. My family believes in me. My family believes in me. My family believes in me. I love my family deeply. I love my family deeply. I love my family deeply. And just like that, you've completed day 3 of your shadowing challenge. You practiced 30 full sentences with love, care, and confidence. You talked about your family, and you spoke with strength. Be proud of yourself. Truly. You are doing something beautiful with every single word. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You only need to keep going. Shadowing is your tool for confidence, for fluency, for speaking freely. So come back tomorrow. Keep practicing. Keep showing up. You are not alone on this journey, I'm right here with you. Take a deep breath. Smile. And say, I did it. Because you did. See you for day 4. You're amazing.